This is part 5 on rebuilding this 2017 Ferrari California T, and I'm already giving up on few things, and I'm so disappointed not completing this thing 100% by myself. So stay tuned for that, and I'm going to tell you why I couldn't finish 100% this thing by myself. Anyway, let's jump right in the video with a cold start. Alright everyone, here is why I couldn't finish this Ferrari 100% in my own. It's really been driving me crazy, to be honest, because when you start something you're gonna want to finish everything by yourself, but unfortunately with very few limited tools at home I couldn't get it done this thing 100%. But tell you or explain you how happy I am till what I have achieved with this thing, because honestly when I bought it was incredibly scary because this thing wasn't running, and after so many attempts on trying to turn this on I was so close about to give up on it. But luckily I managed to turn this thing on. Drives absolutely amazing and looks absolutely amazing, but unfortunately there are a few little things I couldn't finish by myself, because the reason why is you need some computer, some tools with it to fix and reset some things, but which I'm going to show you right now. The few things I couldn't finish. Other than that, this thing, it's almost 100%. So right now it's at 98%, so it's missing two little things, but right now I'll show you why this thing or what it needs to be fixed and be 100%. Which are the airbag light right here, and also the ABS light down there. Honestly, these two lights, they've been driving me crazy because I cannot sell this thing, and I didn't buy this thing for myself. I definitely cannot afford this thing, so I bought it for business, and honestly also to kind of learn and challenge myself as well, because it's my dream job to kind of work in these cars, to be honest with you. But anyway, these are the only two things I can finish by myself. Now I know it's a little bit dark because it's early in the morning, but underneath right here it's a computer or a module, which is for the airbag, and I don't know if it controls any other thing. I have reset that thing right there, but in the back of the car there are two roll bars in case of an accident happens. Those they deploy, and which they did in this car, and unfortunately I have checked and tried by myself so many times to fix that thing, but unfortunately it's not much I could do by myself, at least. I've been so many so many places, like with Ferrari, with Ferrari mechanics, like kind of where they fix, like not at Ferrari dealerships, but some, I'll say secondhand, or I don't know how to really put it, like, but which they work in Ferraris, and honestly it's pretty ridiculous the prices they tell you, and most of them, they don't want to even take the car and help you. Now I don't know if the back roll bars, they are possible to reset them or to really replace the whole thing, which is honestly really expensive. I hope it's not the case. If you guys know anything about that, please let me know in the comments down below. I am giving up in these two things anyway, because I don't have the time full-time 100%, so I'm taking this thing to a mechanic. I know I really, oh my god, sounds so amazing. But anyway, I know it sucks so bad for me because I really wanted to finish this thing 100%, but if you guys know anything, please leave it in the comments down below. If it's possible to reset the roll bars in the back or not, and also about the ABS dash light. A lot of people say it might be the ABS computer or whatever in the front where it's next to the battery, or I don't know. I disconnected the cable. Honestly, bunch of lights, they came up on the dash, but after some time they went away, because again, the Ferrari manual or Ferrari technicians, they say not to mess around much with them, but honestly I went everything against of many things what the Ferrari book says, and honestly I have gotten lucky, I have to say that, because for so many things Lara dash light is turned off by disconnecting and connecting stuff after the accident. But anyway, yeah, my major thing right now is this roll bar cage. I hope it's not the case to replace the whole thing, because that it's really expensive, and also the ABS computer, I would say, in the front, because even that it's really expensive. Now it's only one mechanic, which it's giving me a little bit of hope. He might be able to reset it, but again, it's not 100% sure. So I'll keep you guys definitely updated on the next video, because I don't know how long it's gonna take this guy to finish, but today he's gonna diagnose it and tell me how much it will cost me to fix this thing. But anyway, I'll keep you guys updated on the next video about everything. If I end up fixing this thing with him, which most likely I will, because I have tried so many things, literally many times, which my SD cards, I have gotten full of trying things, and again, it's been my very first time working in a Ferrari or getting to rebuild one, so I don't know, it's been really an amazing opportunity for me, to be honest, and experience. I have learned a lot with this thing, like literally a lot. For the next one, I think I know where to look for stuff, so I'm so excited. I know it costed me a few things more than I thought, but as I said, for the next one I know where to look and where to go for parts. So anyway, I hope you guys found this thing informative in somehow, and also, if you please are a Ferrari technician, let me know if these lights are resettable, at least the roll bar. And I think for the airbag module I resetted that already, very cheap, $65 I paid here in California to a place where they specialize on that. But anyway, if you guys know if they're possible to reset those roll bars, not just in this one but in any supercar, or which one are not the one you cannot reset, that'll be really helpful, because hopefully I get to buy the next one again, a Ferrari or Lamborghini, I don't know, because I really enjoy working in these cars. They're absolutely incredibly so much fun. They're scary in the same time, but I just love working with them. I just love spending time with them, honestly. So anyway, Stay tuned for the next video, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video, hopefully with some good news about this Ferrari and tell you guys how much I ended up paying for it. So yeah, till the next one, so stay tuned.